Okay, for the profile, let's create a new file and then design that using ChatGPT. Now let's copy this and give to the ChatGPT. Until it generates, let's find the icon for the Facebook and so on. Okay, I got the icons for social media and I put them in the folder. Now let's see what ChatGPT has given us. I will copy the entire code and paste it here. And for the profile.png, let's see which image we can use. Let's see how this one looks. Also, I have to implement the onclick for this button. Now on top of this logo, it should open the profile page, but before I have to restart the application. Now if I click this logo, it should open this page, but it seems that it's not finding profile.png. Let's see, it is profile.jpg, so I have to go to the profile and make the extension right. So it is okay, but I have to make the background blurry and add space to the items and make them a little bit bigger. Also change the font to white. So let's copy everything to ChatGPT and alright, let's copy this new code and see if I save it. It looks nice, but there's an extra space. Here we have sized box, which is not required. I can remove it. This looks okay, but there are a few changes that I want to do. First, there's no back button. I have to add app bar, but without background color. Second is I want to remove this text because the logo represents what we are opening, and also add a little bit background or transparent background for the items also. So let's instruct the ChatGPT again. Hopefully this is the last change that we are getting. Let's copy and see the result. So this looks nice. This is what I wanted. The box for every item is looking perfect, and I want to remove this profile title. I don't need it. Now the arrow icon is not visible. Let me change that. So this looks perfect, but the background is too dark and we cannot see the X logo here. Let's see if we can decrease the transparency a little bit. It makes it too dark, so let's make it 1. Still it's not visible. Let me make this white instead of black. This is fine. Now let's move the X to the top and it will be visible better. This is still not visible properly, so let me search for a better image and I will come back. Now going back is not working because this one should be icon button. Now if I go back and come back to this page, it should show this. Instead of location, I think I will type in visit us. So on click of this, nothing happens, but I will open this Facebook page, Instagram page and YouTube page, and on click of this we can open the same shop location in Google Maps. So let me give the command to the ChatGPT and it will do the job. So it works fine, but every time I click on this, it opens the browser and then the computer runs out of memory and I had to restart the computer. Even though I changed the device, I thought it's because of the emulator, but it gets out of memory and I had to restart. But it really works. Now our application is ready. The map is working, the search feature is working, we have our items, we can see the detail here. Let's do some improvements to our homepage. I want to add the quantity and size. If I select different size, the price should be changed according to the selected size. If we increase the quantity, the price should be multiplied by the base price. And to do that, we can go to detail and copy the entire code. Awesome, this looks perfect. If I increase the quantity, it should increase the price also and should not be less than 1. Nice. If I choose small coffee, it is 3.99. If I choose medium, it is 4.99, and if I choose large, it is 6.99. I did not even check the code, but everything is perfect, so I will not check the code. So now our application seems ready and perfect. The only thing that is remaining is splash screen. So let's find some animated logo for our application that will be loaded and shown in the splash screen.